think we must speak on this, that what Azimio is doing is not fair for this country. Karim Khan's visit here was on a private capacity as a person who's been nominated to receive an honorary degree from Mount Kenya, which is okay for any individual in the world. That does not mean that when he comes here, he comes in his capacity as a prosecutor. He comes as an individual capacity coming to receive the award. And I think for you to serve at the ICC, you must have been seen to have a moral base that is above ground. And therefore, Karim Khan is properly in his place as the ICC. But I also want to say this, which has gone. I had one of, I think it was Martha Karua or one of the people in Azimio talk about genocide in this country. That was the most unfortunate statement that I have ever had. That people wish that this country has had genocide, that they can go on public national TV and talk about, we have had cases of genocide in this country. I don't know whether these people live in which country or which world, because the genocide we have seen in Rwanda and Burundi and other countries is something that you do not wish on your country. Even imagine that a country like Kenya would go into that kind of a path of genocide. It was a very unfortunate statement which must be condemned by all Kenyans, that there are leaders here who wish that this country goes to the dogs, that people are killed en masse, such that they can make a case at ICC to bring down a government. That was unfortunate, and we must call those people out for doing that. Secondly, the threshold for cases at ICC. My friend is a lawyer here. I don't know whether he stopped being a lawyer because he needs to advise his clients. He needs to advise Azimio. When you're talking about referring the Kenyan case
to the ICC,
what is the threshold for a case to be referred to the ICC? Mass murder? Has mass murder taken place
as a genocide?
In this country? Yes. Has mass murder?
38
it's called,
mass murder.
No, let him finish.
This evacuation of population, it's called evacuation of populations or what, something like that. The thresholds and the people who have been prosecuted at ICC, the threshold is so high such that a country's judicial system cannot handle. And that's why ICC is invited. Has this country really gone to that level where we are saying the Kenyan case at the ICC, that they are saying Karim Khan should recuse himself because there's a Kenyan case? Which case? Which case are they talking about? These demonstrations that happened here, the Kenyan judicial system and the Kenyan system here is able to handle these cases. I'm not demeaning the fact that one Kenyan or 38, whatever the number, died. But I'm saying this country needs to earn international respect. You cannot